As the Trump administration works to cut federal spending, child care programs could be a target of those cuts. And as Joe Ripley reports, the thousands of families who depend on those programs could be left looking for other options.
There we go. Thank you.
Baby Astro is just waking up from a nap and washing his hands. He's part of the Early Head Start program at Easter Seals of North Georgia. But President and CEO Donna Davidson worries the program could be put to bed.
We will continue to provide those services, but certainly not on the scale and not necessarily meeting some of the most vulnerable children in our state.
President Donald Trump is proposing cutting the 60-year Head Start program, a program spending about $30 million to provide 20,000 kids in Georgia with early education, food, and child care.
All that would have to be cut because we certainly could not afford that if we flipped into a different model that depended upon parents paying or a voucher system or a sliding fee scale.
Davidson fears neither the state nor the private sector can make up the federal funding cuts to Head Start.
This will really decimate our ecosystem of childcare throughout the state of Georgia if we lose Head Start funding.
Mindy Benderman is the executive director of the Georgia Early Education Alliance for Ready Students. She says rural communities could feel the impact of cuts the most, and families who qualify for Head Start, those living below the poverty level, could lose access to vital transportation, housing, and health needs.
For families to work, they need to be able to afford and access high-quality environments.
When money is tight, those cuts can make the difference, Davidson says, in a trade-off between a place to learn and a place to live.
We all want to have a government that is running cost effectively, but this is not where we need to be making the cuts.
In Atlanta, Joe Ripley, 11 Alive News.
While President Trump is considering cutting the Head Start program, only Congress has the power to write that into the next year's budget.